Enchanted Cake, and the Magical Adventure. Once upon a time, in the quaint little village of Sweetlandia, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her love of baking and her kind heart. She lived with her grandmother, Granny May, who was the best baker in the entire village. One day, Granny May fell ill, and Lily decided to bake a special cake to cheer her up. Lily went to the village market to gather the finest ingredients for her magical cake. She carefully selected the sweetest berries, the creamiest butter, and the most delicate vanilla beans. As she was about to leave the market, an old woman with a mysterious twinkle in her eye approached her. "Ah, young one, I sense your love for baking," the old woman said, her voice as melodious as wind chimes. "I have a special ingredient for your cake that will make it truly magical." She handed Lily a small vial filled with sparkling dust. "Sprinkle this enchanted dust into your cake batter, and you'll embark on a magical adventure beyond your wildest dreams." Lily, intrigued by the old woman's words, thanked her and headed home to start baking. In the cozy kitchen of their cottage, Lily mixed the ingredients with care, adding a pinch of the enchanted dust as instructed. Little did she know that her simple cake was about to transport her to a world of wonders. As Lily placed the cake in the oven, a burst of dazzling light filled the kitchen. The room started to spin, and before she knew it, Lily found herself in a magical land filled with talking animals, sparkling rivers, and towering candy mountains. The enchanted cake had turned into a portal to a realm called Sweet Sylvania. Lily marveled at the vibrant colors and the sweet aroma that surrounded her. Just as she began to explore, she heard a tiny voice calling out to her. "Hello there. Are you the one who baked the magical cake?" asked a lively cupcake with a cherry on top. Lily nodded, still wide-eyed with amazement. "I'm Sprinkleton, the cupcake connoisseur of Sweet Sylvania. We've been waiting for someone like you to help us," said Sprinkleton. He explained that Sweet Sylvania was facing a crisis. The sugar crystal, the source of all sweetness in the land, had been stolen by the mischievous sour sweets, led by the villainous licorice lord. Lily, with her kind heart, couldn't ignore the plea for help. She decided to embark on a quest to retrieve the sugar crystal and save Sweet Sylvania from the impending doom of losing all its sweetness. Sprinkleton, along with a merry group of dessert creatures, joined Lily on her adventure. There was Coco the chocolate chip cookie, Berry the blueberry muffin, and Rocky the marshmallow rock, among others. Each had a unique talent that would prove crucial in their quest. Their journey took them through the candy cane forest, the lollipop lagoon, and the chocolate hills. Along the way, they encountered challenges, solved riddles, and made friends with the delightful inhabitants of Sweet Sylvania. Lily's magical cake, now transformed into a traveling dessert, provided them with sustenance and energy. As they reached the licorice lair, where the licorice lord and his sour sweets guarded the stolen sugar crystal, Lily and her newfound friends faced their greatest challenge yet. Licorice Lord, with his twisted licorice whip, unleashed his sour minions to stop them. But Lily, fueled by the sweetness of her magical cake, inspired her friends to stand strong together. Sprinkleton sprinkled magic sugar dust, Coco concocted a chocolate shield, Berry summoned a blueberry storm, and Rocky rolled into a marshmallow boulder. With teamwork and determination, they defeated the licorice lord and reclaimed the sugar crystal. As a token of gratitude, the sugar crystal bestowed upon Lily the power to return to Sweetlandia whenever she wished. Lily bid farewell to her new friends, promising to visit them whenever she could. With the sugar crystal safely back in its place, Sweet Sylvania returned to its joyful, sweet state. Lily, back in her kitchen in Sweetlandia, shared her magical adventure with Granny May, who couldn't believe the extraordinary tale. From that day forward, Lily continued to bake magical cakes, spreading sweetness and joy not only in her village, but also in the enchanted land of Sweet Sylvania. The tale of Lily and her enchanted cake became a legend passed down through generations in both Sweetlandia and Sweet Sylvania, reminding everyone of the magic that kindness, friendship, and a sprinkle of enchanted dust can bring to our lives. And so, the sweet adventures continued, ensuring that the world remained a little bit more magical and a lot more delicious.